Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Rewrite AI tool on your iPhone. So let's get started. So this feature is now going to be available on iOS 18.1. So if you haven't updated your phone, you need to go into your settings, go to General, and then go ahead and update your iPhone software to 18.1, the official version. Once you update it past 18.1, you need to also see that there is in the settings Apple Intelligent. We have Apple Intelligent turned on, so we can use the rewrite tool here. So I'm going to use this on the notes, but you can use it for email and other apps as well. So all you're going to do is let's go ahead and click a text that I have here on a note. And if I want AI to rewrite this, I simply tap on it, click on that AI writing tool, which will bring up the writing tools. And if I want to rewrite all of this, I can click on that and it will, as you can see here, automatically rewrite that for me. Now I can go back to the original or revert. If I'm ready, I'll just hit done, click on done here, and now I have a note that I listed and it rewrote that into something more, again, more unique to it using the AI tool built into the iPhone itself. Again, all you're going to do is click on the tool, click on rewrite, and select the text that you want to rewrite. By default, it just selects all of it and it'll rewrite for you. Again, really cool and fun feature to utilize on your iPhone. So go ahead and check it out, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.